Good morning, student, and welcome back to all of you. Today, I am going to discuss about the Microsoft Access. The last class we already discussed about the how to create a relationship. With the relationship here is the option is here. See this relationship option. The last class we learned, and today's class we going to discuss about the creating tables related of the tables only, but the new topics. So let's start the class. See the first I already created one table because the time is too much is required, so that's why I created one table. The name of the table is the book, and all of you know how to create the table. All of you go to the create option, and from the create option just click to table. Okay, and then table, then here the table is here, just click there and click to design view, then you write the table name. So now we created the table, so I close this table one. Okay, and see this is the name of the table is the book, and the name of the database is that library. Okay, I written in the short form lib. So name of the book is the library, and the name of the database name is the library, and the table name is the book. And let's start. Let's see the name of the field names. Okay, the first is the book id, then book name, and after this the writer name, and publish in a year, and means publishing name actually, then the price, purchase date, and here is the remarks. Okay, remarks, it is the data type is the memo, and book id, it is a number, it is a primary key, and the book name is the text data types. Okay, like this, these all are the data types. See the date of the publishing, see the date and time, and here is the price is the currency, the rupee sign is coming here, so I am given the currency sign. Okay, if you give the text, then it is not coming the like the rupee sign. So let's I show you, just click to view, click to dataset view. See, these are the rupee signs are there, so I am given the here there is the currency option. So you select the currency because the names is coming, and see the rest one, and the date is there, date and time, and it is a memo. Okay, so our table is created, the name of the table is the book. Next, after completed, then you save your file like this, save your file, otherwise you change the name. Then click to view and click to dataset view. See the database dataset view is appear on the computer screen. See, this is the book id 1234, whatever I am written in the 123, but if you want to change the name like this, book 1, book 2, book 3, like this, so but I only given the 1234. So see here the 4 books are there, and the name of the book, you see, I increase this size one. Yes, see, there is the books are there, the computer application is the one book, dbm is book. Okay, information technology and computer application. And see there the writers are the Sumita Arora quote, Sumita Arora, Neetu. Okay, like this, uh, Gaiwant. Okay, the names of writer names, and the years of publishing with the which date just I roughly am written, and the date of the means the publisher names I'm written here, publisher name, and the price just normally written near about the price, and the date of publishing, purchase date I just roughly have written one date, and here the remarks, suppose the good, excellence, nice, good, like. Okay, so okay, so this is the completed, then you just you save your file. I save your file, then I am going to the query section. Okay, so the first one is the See, first you will go to the query, just you click to the create option. You all of you know the query option is available in the create option. Just you click to the create option, then the query wizard option is there. Just see the simple query is here. Just click to OK option. Okay, and you see here is a table. You all of you know the table is there is a book one. Here is only the book table, so it is coming only the one table. Okay, the name of the table is the book. And see, these are the available field and these are the selected field. I in the previous classes I already told, if you need all the available field inside the selected field, then just you click the this double click inside. Otherwise one by one you require just to click like this. It is taking too much time. Okay, but in a single click like this, it is whole together come in the selected field. Now after finish, just to see the here the select next option is the highlighted. Now simply you click to the next. Okay, and here you see the would you like to the detail of the summary. Okay, the details, yes, you need to see details. And this see the next again next means two time next, then after this finish. And here is the if you want to change the name something in the query name. Okay, related of the query, suppose. Okay, so suppose here we display the uh, writer's name. Suppose we this is the query only for writers, which are the writers. And the modify, if you need to modify like this, so then after finish, the finish option is here. Complete. Now the finish, when you click to finish, you see this is the query windows. Okay, and you see here the name is here, which you want to yeah, we are given the name. Actually the query name is the writer name, so it is visible w name. Means whatever name you select, then it is coming like this. Okay, and see these are the option is here. Table sort, you all of you know, because in the previous sections we already discussed. And see, we are showing you the writer's name, so the writer's name is there. Okay, so just here the clicks is there, just if you want to show, then okay, book name, just you off like the book name, it is yoga writer name. And if it is not required, just you off it. Okay, just you off like this. Okay, just you click to run. Okay, run option is there. After finished run, click to run option. So which section is visible? Book name and the writer's name only. Then click to run option like this. See all of you, from the whole data in the database, the whatever the section is activated, that one only the visible, and rest all are hide. Okay, so and, see the again this is the names is okay. Next again query. Okay, if you want to save, yes, we want to save, then click to next. Wait, just to click to book first. Okay, simple query. Then again book one, next, then the modify. And here is the means the publisher name. Suppose publisher name, we want to show you the publisher name. Publisher name, right? And modify, then finish. See, this is the publisher name, it is coming. See like this. So you just check where is the publisher name is here. See, this is the publisher name, and here is the table. All is the table one is, sorry, the table is the name of the table is the book, so it is the book. Okay, so the publisher name, here is the publisher name. You write the inside the criteria section, and the book name is there na? So the book is, suppose see the names. First you see the name of the publisher names is there. Dhanpat Rai, suppose you want to see the Dhanpat Rai is a 2 2 1, so I'm writing here Dhanpat Rai. Okay, then just you click to run option, and the run option is available in the design view. If the suppose you created the click, okay, it is not coming, so you click to the design view and there is the run option is visible. Just you click to run option, see, yes, run option is there, and see only the Sumit Arora is visible. Sumita Dhanpat Rai, sorry, Dhanpat Rai. Only the names are the publisher name is the visible, and the it is okay. Next is the suppose see it is the price is there. Okay, see the 450, 450, 495, 250. Okay, so suppose here is the questions. We want to show you the computer application book, means with two condition we check the same time. So suppose the book name is a computer application, right? And price is suppose 250 or 350. For 250 is there, two books is there. 250 is a computer book, computer application is here. Okay, and other one is the 450. Okay, it is Sumit Arora. So we are checking the name of the book. Okay, name of the book and the price together. Create query visit. Okay, next. Okay, here is the price. Here is the price. Okay, then click to finish option. Click to finish. Okay, and see the price is here. Just wait and see here the two one in the criteria and or. Okay, so here you want to show you the book name. The book name is suppose the computer application. Computer application. Okay, we increase the size. See, computer application, and next is the price section. This is the price section. Okay, the price is suppose greater than equal to suppose 350. 350 is the again show you. I am again I'm showing you. See there the two book is there, computer application. One is a 250. Okay, and second one is the 450. If you suppose give the condition greater than 350, then only the one book name is visible. Okay, let's see. Then again see it is run option is not visible. Then click to design option, and from there just you click to run. See, greater than 250, 350. See, greater than, these are the 350, and the book is the computer application. See, the condition is check the computer application. Okay, means checking the one condition criteria or means anyone. See, the computer application book is there, and see the price is the 450, greater than 350. Okay, so this is the condition we apply. So next we are going to create the, when the query section is completed, we have created the three query: writer name and publisher name and the price. Next we are going to the next section, means the report section. Okay, report visit, and see the next, again you next. Okay, and from there just to which one you want to show the top of the page, just like the book ID, it is okay. Then after this the next. Okay, but here is the one thing, if you want to change the anyone like the book ID and the publisher name like this, see, you arrange as per your choice. then the next, and next. If you want to in the ascending or descending order, this is ascending or descending order. Okay, we not need. And select the here the formats, landscape or portrait form. Here is the which one you want to like. As per your choice you select. Okay, this is the output. Let's see here the message is visible. How would you like to the layout your report? Then select, and this is the background. You select any one background, suppose any background, suppose this is the okay, this is the okay. Next, and here the modify. If you want to change them, to change the name, then the finish. So you see the report wizards is coming on the computer screen. It is taking some time because and after this you, if you want to change the colors in all, we are changing the color also. So you change the location. See, I'm changing the location, and you increase or decrease whatever, like this. So if you want to change, as you select like this, like the bold. Okay, and the color it is like this. And suppose you change the background color like this. Okay, so just your space, give you space. Okay, here you also change this one like this. Click to bold, means it is bold. Just select and press as per your choice. Okay, like this you select. Okay, select as per your choice like this. And see for examples, and see the here is the colors there. You select the color, and then this see that it is whole select together. See here the dot is there, just like this. Here is the colors. You choose the color as well as you like. Then see, this is the background color. If you want to change the background color, then you change the background color also. See, I change the background colors, text color. You change it if you want to need. Then after this, click to the view option. Then the report view is here. Just you click to the report view. Means you decorate um, as you like. And see it, if it is coming like this, if it is coming like this, suppose the arrow, because the size is the very less, so it is coming like this. So no issue. Just you click there. The design view is here. Okay, just you increase it, increase the size. That's all. Okay, see, it is increasing. Okay, so you increase it, no issue. Then the save it. See, so you increase like this. Just you drag like this. Okay, then the save it. You increase, just to select and then press. Then click and report view. See, it is coming. Okay, so now it is coming. Okay, nicely it is coming. So in this way you create the report. And the next section is and forms. Okay, it is also same. Just you click to the form wizard like this. Just you click next. Then select as for your choose which one you like. Just you click to next, then the next again, then the modify, then finish. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is also same part. If you want to change, then you change it Okay, I am changing. Just wait. Just you click over there. Just hold it. Select like this. You click. If you want to change the text format, see that is bold, and here is the colors is there, background color. If you want to change the background color, then you change the background color also. Okay, nice. Okay, here also good. Then click to view and the font view. Okay, click to font view. And see here is the individual is coming. See here the total the four books is there, 1 to 4, so it is coming. Okay, and see here the 2 points are there, next record and last record. So like this, next record 3 4. Okay, so all of you practice, and I hope you all of you understood. So thank you all of you, thank you very much.